Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to Muscle 2.0 with another interesting and most handsome shredded bodybuilders video for you. So, welcome back to Fitness Lover to a deep dive into the world of the most shredded bodybuilders. Today's we'll explore the dedication, discipline, and sheer determination that these athletes you're into achieving and maintaining their awe-inspiring physique. What does it mean to be shredded? It's not just about visible muscles, it's about achieving an exponentially low body fat percentage, revealing intricate muscle definition. Our journey starts by acknowledging the intense commitment these bodybuilders bring to the table. Legends like Ronnie Coleman, Dorian Yates, and Arnold have set the bar high, showcasing not only strength but an unparalleled level of leanness. Their stories continue to inspire generations of aspiring bodybuilders to achieve that chiseled look. Bodybuilders undergo a process known as cutting. This involves a meticulous balance of nutrition, cardio, and weight training to shed excess body fat while preserving muscle mass. Witnessing the dedication to the cutting phase is a testament to the mental fortitude acquired through the pursuit of a shredded physique. It's not a sprint but a strategic marathon, and these athletes understand the importance of pacing themselves. Nutrition is the cornerstone of achieving a shredded physique. These bodybuilders follow strict dietary regimens, often incorporating high protein, moderate carbs, and healthy fats. Meal timing and portion control become crucial elements in their nutrition plans. Delving into their nutrition routines, we discover the science behind fueling workouts, promoting recovery, and sustaining the energy needed to push through the demanding training sessions. It's a delicate balance, and precision is key. The path of being shredded involves rigorous training, pushing the boundaries of strength, endurance, and mental resilience. These bodybuilders adhere to intense workout schedule, incorporating both heavy lifting and targeted isolation exercises. Witnessing their training regimen is a glimpse into the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about sculpting every muscle fiber to create a symphony of definition. Behind every sculpted physique is a mind that refuses to quit. The mental game is as crucial as the physical one. Friends, these bodybuilders navigate through challenges, setbacks, and plateaus using resilience and determination of propel them forward. Listening to their stories, we gain an appreciation for the mental fortitude required to stay on course. It's about pushing through self doubt, embracing the process, and visualizing success even when faced with adversity. The impact of shredded bodybuilders extend beyond the gym. They serve as beacons of inspiration, motivating countless individuals to embark on their own fitness journeys. Motivating countless individuals to embark on their own fitness journeys, social media has played a significant role in amplifying their reach. creating a global community of aspiring shredded enthusiasts. So, through the power of social platforms, shredded bodybuilders share their knowledge, tips, and encouragement, fostering a supportive community that celebrates each their victories, big or small. While the pursuit of a shredded physique is admirable, it's essential of acknowledge the fine line between aesthetics and overall health. Some bodybuilders have faced health challenges due to extreme dieting and training practices. This segment raises important questions about the long-term impact of extreme practices and emphasizes the need for a holistic approach to fitness, considering both the external and internal aspects of health. So I hope friends you are enjoying today's video, and I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. If you are interested in more amazing videos like this, visit our channel, especially visit the channel's playlist. Here you will find best motivational and inspirational videos like this. In conclusion, exploring the world of the most shredded bodybuilders and most handsome bodybuilders takes us on a journey of dedication, discipline, and resilience. While their physiques inspire awe, it's the stories behind the muscles that truly resonate. As we celebrate their achievements, let's also reflect on the lessons they impart on balance, mental fortitude, and the pursuit of a healthy, sustainable fitness journey. So, friends, I hope you are enjoying today's video. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. If you are interested in more amazing videos like this, visit our channel. We are not just focusing on the physical allure, we are uncovering the essence of fitness excellence embodied by the most handsome shirtless fitness models and bodybuilders. These individuals go beyond the surface, showcasing a commitment to health, discipline, and an unwavering passion for their craft. Before we explore their physical journeys, let's meet the faces behind these impressive physique, who are these most handsome bodybuilders and what drives them to pursue excellence in the world of fitness. Nourishing the bodies, the nutrition puzzle beyond the sweet and hard work, the kitchen plays a pivotal role in their success. We'll unravel the nutritional strategies these individuals employ, emphasizing the importance of a balanced diet. It's not about strict diets, it's about fueling their bodies for optimal performance and recovery. The influence of genetics and hard work. Let's address the elephant in the room, genetics. While genetics play a role, it's essential to acknowledge the incredible hard work and dedication that go hand in hand. These most handsome and impressive bodybuilders does not